It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 6th of July. I'm James Spann. Very unstable atmosphere across the state today. Some storms around, mainly over South Alabama, but North Alabama could see one more round of storms tonight. Let's go in there and check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. The westerlies have dipped a little farther to the south. There is a weakness in the subtropical ridge here across the deep south, and a number of showers and storms currently in progress down across the southern half of the state. That was the radar at 2:30. In fact, a few counties under severe thunderstorm warnings down across South Alabama. Up this way, temperatures mostly in the low 90s, Birmingham at 93. We'll expect mid-90s tomorrow and Friday. Not too far away, we have severe weather watches. This is a severe thunderstorm watch to the east for parts of Georgia and South Carolina, and this is one to the north for parts of Tennessee and Kentucky, and we'll be watching those storms to see if they can drop southward in here later tonight. In fact, check out the latest convective outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Very busy map. First off, there is a moderate risk over parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. And just north of the state, we have an enhanced risk over parts of western and middle Tennessee. And now we have the standard slight risk into extreme North Alabama. That includes places like Huntsville, Decatur, Athens, and the Shoals. A marginal risk down to Birmingham, and then on the eastern side of the state down to Dothan. So we'll be watching the storms that creep in here later tonight. They could pack a punch. Tomorrow, risks of severe weather north of the state, an enhanced risk for places like Minneapolis, St. Paul, Des Moines, Peoria. A marginal risk, kind of clipping the northeastern corner of the state, but we're thinking showers and storms tomorrow should be fewer in number. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Friday. A risk of severe storms north of the state, but down this way, storms should be quite isolated. Rain for the next 5 days. This is on an average basis. Between now and Monday morning, about 1 inch for the north, lighter amounts down to the south. And the Atlantic Basin stays very quiet. Here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. And again, the little wave is to the east of the state, so accordingly, we think the day will be mostly dry. Could there be a storm? Yes, but they should be very isolated. And the high will be in the mid-90s with a partly sunny sky. Same thing Friday. The chance of a storm, not zero, but pretty small for any one given spot. And again, we'll be up in the mid-90s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 95. Then for the weekend, the air aloft becomes colder, the air a bit more unstable. So for Saturday, we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms, a mix of sun and clouds with low 90s. And Sunday, again, scattered showers and storms, the high close to 90. Go to Monday of next week. Again, a few showers and storms about, and just maybe we stay in the 80s Monday. Depends on when the showers and storms form. The latest GFS showing 89. And Tuesday, typical summer weather, partly sunny, scattered afternoon storms. And a week from today, Wednesday, July 13th, the westerlies up north, flat ridge around here, and varies classic summer weather. Partly sunny, hot, humid, scattered afternoon and evening storms. And I'd say low to mid-90s are likely. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, July 16th. Nice trough in the western states, ridging here in the southeast. And again, it's a persistence forecast. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, a chance of scattered afternoon storms. And again, these numbers are running a little too hot. I think we'll probably see low and mid-90s most days instead of mid to upper 90s. But the bottom line is just old July weather. Highs mostly in the 90s, lows mostly in the 70s for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.